Happy weekend, YouTube friends. Wanted to give you another update about the Model T delivery build that we're doing. And we're gonna be working on the metal sections. I got all my metal. This is 22 gauge cold rolled steel. And it's gonna take 2 large sections for each side on the top. And then I got the other pieces here. This would be for one of the doors, and then the bottom side sections there as well. So I've already made all the patterns that I need to get everything cut out. This will be for the bottom section. As you can see where it kind of curves down. There's going to have to be a couple of bends. One of them is for that section there's that bevel cut there. So it'll be there, and then we're going to make a flange, inch flange. It's going to go on the bottom section, and that's what we'll nail to the underside of the body. And then of course everything will be nailed alongside the top there, if you can remember this section here. So you'll have one piece of the body steel there, and the other section on up nailed alongside of the perimeter there. So here's the stuff there. Not going to have a lot of cuts on the bottom section here, just around there on the bottom, but here for the tops you'll see what I'll have to cut out, of course going along the side there. And then here is those windows. I finally got those in. So these are the window frames. So this will be on the exterior. Interior, I did make some pieces up that were oval metal to secure from the back side. Don't know if I'm going to go with those. I might end up making another piece that'll be thicker on the back side to hold everything together. So we'll see what happens. I did get a new tool to get these things cut out. Let me pick this up. Harbor Freight, this little air nibbler, and be able to kind of go along the side there. I read the reviews, had some really good reviews for it, so we'll see how that all works out. But we'll keep you posted again and see how things shape up here. Okay, so we got this template on here now, and it's just real easy. Just mark it out where we need it, and then I'll use the air nibbler. We'll come around on there, and then I'll just clean up the rest of the cut with my grinder here. So let me go ahead and pull this off here. Tape's a little stuck. There we go. Okay, so I'll go ahead and start cutting this. These things are loud. Get our ear protection on. you can see it makes a lot of these little things, little shavings that it's cutting out. I can't run the thing all the way because the air pressure on it is just a little too much. So I have to let it warm back up. So we'll let this warm back up and get some more air pressure, and then we'll continue our... Okay, we're gonna finish cutting the rest of this since we got more air in the tank now. Okay, so I got this all cut out here now. I got it trimmed down as well with the grinder. And so now we'll cut out this C-section here with the air nibbler and get that all ground out as well. Okay, so we got this whole top section cut out, and so we just had to clean that up with a little grinder there after I cut it out. But overall, I am very pleased with how that air nibbler really worked. It just really cuts through that so nice, and then just really easy to clean it up. So I'm gonna get this on the frame and see what that looks like. Okay, so now we got that metal panel on there. It turned out really good. I am really pleased with how this is looking so far. So this is going to be really easy when we go to nail this on here, because all I got to do is just gonna pre-drill some holes, and then we'll nail those in there. The nails that I got, I had to find some that were about 3/4 of an inch long, and I'm gonna have to cut them down a little bit because we don't want them running all the way through the wood there. But they got a head on them, so that'll be nice to do that. But so far, this is turning out really good. I'm really pleased with where this is supposed to be and how everything's lining up. And of course, you can see where the other metal panel will butt up to that. And that'll give us a nailing section as well. And then on down around the bottom for that. And also when we go to nail this on, there'll be felt nailed in between the wood and the metal. That way it just keeps it from drumming as you're driving on down the road there. But overall, I am very, very pleased with how this is coming together. So we'll have to get the other panels cut out, and once we get that done, then we'll be looking to get the rest of this stuff done with getting it all stained, getting the wood stained, and getting everything put back together, and then getting those metal panels painted. So I'm really looking forward to that. So until next time, hope you have a great rest of the weekend. Take care. Thanks for watching.